Hey, it's Victoria from Coastal Themes. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make pop-ups and overlays. Start by selecting a frame on your site. Come over to the right-hand panel and you'll see Overlays. Click the plus button and you'll see there's two options: Relative, which sit relative to another element on the site, and Fixed, which are fixed in place, such as modals. We'll select Fixed. You'll see this makes a black overlay on the site. You can edit this here if you'd like to change the colour or remove the overlay completely. Some of my layers behind are peeking through. So to change this, come to the Z index, give it quite a high number, and this will ensure that the overlay sits on top of all other layers. Now, any content you create in the overlay will only show when the overlay is triggered. I've got a sign up form here. I'm going to copy this, come into the overlay, and paste the form. Perfect. Some other settings you can edit are whether you'd like the page to scroll behind if the user scrolls when the overlay is open, or if you'd like to block the user from scrolling. You can also select whether the overlay shows on hover or on tap, and various other properties, which you're free to explore. And there you have it. Press preview. You'll see when we click, the overlay appears, and click out, the overlay disappears. In other videos, we'll learn how to elaborate and make these overlays a bit more complex. So stay tuned. And there you have it. That's overlays. If there's anything else you'd like to learn on Framer, feel free to drop us an email or a comment below. See you soon.